As always, Exway products are packed so well, what makes up for a very pleasant unboxing experience. The board weighs only 15 pounds or 6.9 kilograms, looks and feels premium. This unit has a very compelling design. I really like that without the battery, it glides almost like a traditional skateboard. I had to travel for several weeks, so I decided to take the Wave with me. I was concerned though that the TSA might confiscate either the entire board or just the battery since it is over 200 watts. But I decided to take it anyway. What's the worst that can happen? I will toss the battery and I can keep the board and pass security control and check into the plane. I had traveled with boosted V2 standard battery several years ago to Italy. No one gave me any hard time. The battery had written 99 watts on the pack and I had no issues passing the security control and checking into the plane. So the first check was LaGuardia, New York City. No one even asked me if it's Electrikskateboard or if it has any batteries or any powered devices. I removed the battery, placed it in my backpack, and that was it. Next airport was Seattle, and the same thing. No one cared to ask me about the Wave or any battery powered devices. The third airport was Phoenix, and the last one, Charlotte. And this is what had happened. So I'm in the Charlotte airport and it is packed, and here's the Wave. I took the battery out and I placed it in the backpack, and this is the fourth airport I believe that I've been passing with no issues. The battery is over 200 watts and I think the legal limit is 121 or 140 watts. Different airlines when you fly from New York to Europe have different limitation. Some accept 100 watts, 120 or 140. In this case, nobody even asked me about the battery, if I have it or not. I just removed it and placed it in the backpack. And this is the fourth airport, I believe, for the last 3 weeks. New York, Seattle, Phoenix, and now Charlotte. No questions asked. So I guess in the US you can travel with the Wave with no problems. After traveling with Wave for almost 3 weeks, here's what I think of it. It is light, compact, very easy to carry. After you move the battery and place it in your backpack, it rolls almost like a traditional skateboard when it's powered off. To my surprise, the drag is so small. I don't do tricks or jumps, so I see e-boards as efficient and fun way to commute. You have less control compared to a scooter, but it's more fun while riding e-boards, so protection gear is absolutely necessary. This is the first e-board that has a very clever swappable battery system. It can be changed in as little as 10 seconds. It is an unique, innovative, durable and safe design, portable at only 1.9 kilograms. The battery can be used to charge various mobile devices with output of 5 volts and 2.1 amps, an adaptive current that can charge even your remote on the go. The smart BMS would also discharge your cells if the battery is not used for extended period of time. The battery contains 24 Sony VTC6 cells with high discharge rating that offers strong performance and reliability with IP55 waterproof rating. The good thing is the battery never came off during riding on really harsh roads, sidewalks with serrations. Has the same smart BMS that Exway Flex has. To learn more about the BMS, watch my Exway Flex full review. The link will be added into description box. The deck, it is 30 inches long, about 9 inches wide, and I find it perfect for travel and carrying. I'm used to longer sized decks that accommodate much wider stands, so it gives you more comfort, dissipates better the vibrations. It took me about 2-3 days to get comfortable with this shorter deck, but after that it felt so easy to control and very comfortable to ride. The concave is between 8 to 16 millimeters and depth locks in your feet well, increasing the control of the board and avoids the occurrence of the wheel bites. The deck is stiff, it's made of composite fiberglass and maple layers, increasing strength while keeping the entire structure strong but light. Grip tape. Since introducing the Pro model, Exway is using their shock-absorbing grip tape that definitely helps dampening the vibrations, increasing the comfort on the stiff, shorter deck. The ESC. The Flex model has a separate case for the ESC. The Wave model has the ESC integrated in the battery compartment. The new 2.0 ESC offers a lot of torque, a whopping 35 km an hour, which is 21.5 miles, which feels insanely fast for a shorter deck. I was really impressed with the power output and the brakes. They're really strong, reliable, and very intuitive. This is the only ESC that is capable to run belts and hub drive system by changing the settings for the app. The drivetrain. This is the most versatile product I have tested so far. Exway also made their system compatible with a variety of best wheels on the market, offering different size pulleys. Trucks. Exway is including in their product collection the premium twist trucks that are forged and precision CNC'd, offering more strength, less weight, durability, and a custom look for a really approachable price. I compared them to the Flex twist trucks, and the Wave hangers are shorter at only 7 inches in width versus Flex, which is 8 inches. The belts are wider, the mounts are really strong, the entire system looks compact, strong, and well designed. Remote. We have the same well-designed and very comfortable remote that allows to see all telemetrics while riding. It's very intuitive and precise. Lights. We have a smooth integration of RGB light system that is working in tandem with the new Exway 2.0 EC. It is so elegantly integrated in a truck base. You control the lights easily by a touch button on the remote. You can also customize the light settings in the app. This is the only system that has integrated lights that work in tandem and does not need to be charged separately and can be activated easily by clicking the remote button twice. It will be cool to see the same lights on a Flex model. The braking lights are increased through the tail magnifier, and front lights are powerful enough to light up in front, making the rider visible in a city street traffic. After Boosty came out with the mini model, there were so many copies like Vester, Meepo, and many more. Exway is the first compact, light, and such a powerful system that has its own versatility and personality. It feels comfortable to ride to maximum power at 23 miles per hour, feeling in control of the board. It feels extremely maneuverable at mid and low speeds. I would not recommend riding in crowded places, but it felt easy and safe controlling the board on the sidewalk around pedestrians. Range is advertised to 15 miles. I weighed 210 pounds and I was able to cover between 7 to 8 miles in the fastest mode, which is more than enough for this compact board. It has amazing brakes. And the most important feature to me is the sleek, beautiful, compact design. The integration of the AC into the battery, the lights with the base plate bolt into the deck, the battery that can be swapped in seconds, and being able to charge portable devices on the go. Exway really nailed it. This model has a very approachable price with a solid product that will make your commute fun. If you like this board and you decided to purchase it, use the link in the description and the code on the screen, you'll get a better deal. Also, with all orders placed right now, you'll get a free fast charger. That is all I had to share with you about Wave. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.